Ganyan ka din matulog, no? Masakit yung shoulder niya. Yan kasi, palagi mong dinadagan yung shoulder mo, tapos sigurado, nagtrabaho ka gamit na itong shoulder, magdamag, no?
Tama.
Yeah, oo, Doc.
Kung ganun ka nga matulog, then wag ka na magtataka. Talagang magkakasakit tayo sooner or later sa shoulder natin. So usually, ang pinaka-common dyan is shoulder impingement syndrome. So usually sa shoulder impingement syndrome, yung litid natin, one of the rotator cuff muscles, pag palagi mo talagang ino-overuse yan, like for example, pag tinataas mo siya, akala mo may pilay or akala mo may naiipit sa loob, then know for a fact, you might be having shoulder impingement. Another also shoulder condition which is very, very common sa rehab clinic is
frozen shoulder.
Yun yung parang nangyayari dito, kakaroon tayo ng irritation dun sa loob ng capsule natin. Actually, there is no any definite cause for this one. Pero, mataas ang chances natin pag ikaw ay babae, nasa menopausal stage, diabetic, tapos on top of that, ino-overuse natin yung shoulder, then mas mataas ang chances natin na magkaroon ng frozen shoulder than a normal individual na walang ganun na risk factors. So dito pumapasok yung mga simptomas na hirap talagang itaas yung shoulder natin. Versus sa shoulder impingement naman, kaya mo itaas pero may mga certain angulo na masakit lang. Mas magandang ipacheck mo na yan. Kasi kung nahuli na, tapos nag-set in na yung frozen shoulder mo, mas mahabang therapy session, umaabot yan ng 20 plus sessions. In fact, I have one of my patient who was suffering a severe type of frozen shoulder, lasted with us almost
6 months.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nobody got time for that.
That alone is actually financially very frustrating and pwede rin ito mauwi sa steroid injection. Or the worst case scenario, syempre papa-MRI ka pa and surgery. So para maiwasan na natin lahat yon, mas magandang ipacheck mo na yan agad para alam natin kung ano nga ba yung sakit and maagapan natin to. So like we always say, feel well at FADISA.
Feel well at Fadisa.